Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, we're going to take another look at the ADA chart, see if anything changed. First of all, looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see here still that this is obviously unchanged, but for anybody who's new, we have this 5-wave move to the upside, which topped in early March or middle of March. That is, of course, up to debate. And this is a 5-wave move, and I'm considering that wave 1. In one of the previous videos I shared with you, this could also just be a C wave of a larger ABC structure. So that would be bearish, but the way to track the bearish case here is by adding the support area. So below 29 cents, I have to say that we are entering a more bearish phase and new bear market lows will become very likely. The thesis that this is a 1-2 setup, which is a bullish structure, will be invalidated if there is a break below 22 cents, which is the June low. I have to say again that on this chart here, generally on the ADA chart, different exchanges unfortunately show different bottoming structures here in this period around July to September 23. Therefore, wave counting less reliable here. Yeah, but still, we have the parameters to guide us as long as we're holding support. The focus is on higher prices in the very short term, however, lower prices until we see a first impulse and a first break above resistance. We just need some kind of a break above resistance to indicate that a local low is formed, or actually a more substantial low. You see that this move down is counted as an ABC structure. The C wave is a 5-wave move and could get one more low, as you've seen here, and we talked about that in the last videos. So far not much happened, because until we get a break to the upside above this week's high, or a break below the Saturday low, or initially at least below the, yesterday's low actually, here at 43.9 cents, there isn't really anything new I can say. I mean, to the upside, at the moment, possible, okay? I mean, I can justify this count to the downside as completed. To me, when really looking at the details and when delving into the details, it looks more as if it needs one more low. And that one more low could then target the 36 cent level, which is the 61.8 retracement, as shown here by the microstructure, because the rally looks more like a 3-wave move to me. And the move down, move down, looks like a small 5-wave move to me. And then we have another 3-wave move up, but the move down hasn't really started yet. Yeah, okay, so that could still be unfolding actually, but the micro pattern here shows what's possible. It's not necessarily predictive, but please be aware that a break above the Monday high, which was at 49.6 cents, would open the door for something, well, for the upside. And it might be then that wave 2 already bottomed, but it wouldn't be clear really until we first break above 51.6 cents as well, and then above 62.3. So these are the levels that need to be taken out next if we can break above initial resistance and above the Monday high. So first level of indication, or let's say first indication that a low of sorts is in place, would be that break above 50 cents, then 51.6 cents, then 62.3. Yeah? That's sort of what I'm watching for here. At the moment, we haven't even taken out a previous swing high, and the movements to the upside have been corrective. But this sideways consolidation can at the moment be observed everywhere, across all charts. And yeah, well, it's very indicative of possibly indecision in the market. Therefore, as I said, there isn't really anything new to add until we finally break out. I think the breakout points are clear. Downside parameters are clear. For me, it's more like, one more low, or the low is already in. Okay, so I think if it goes way lower than that, I will start to revise my thesis and have to start to assume something more bullish, right? Bearish, unfortunately, which I don't like. But if the market tells me I have to adopt that perspective, well, I will. As always, always listening to the market. As always say, there's not really a need to always impose our view on the market. No, we can just listen to what the market has to say. The support area at the moment is clear. And yeah, I'd like to see in this region a reaction at the latest actually before we break below 36 cents. Okay, if it really has to, 29 cents, but that would be very, very low for this wave too. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.